Hello, this is Sunil CS. Welcome to Canopus. Today I am explaining one Volkswagen Jetta vehicle review. 2020 Volkswagen Jetta review. Spacious and mature but hardly exciting. The Jetta is competent but unexciting and about as middle of the road as a sedan gets these days. The Jetta's styling is clean and simple. Cars don't get much more middle of the road than the Volkswagen Jetta. Mature looking and spacious inside. It's as sensible as a pair of sweat pants, if not kit as comfortable. The Jetta migrated to VW's ubiquitous MQB architecture last year, a platform that underpins a huge range of vehicles in the Volkswagen Group automotive empire. From the Golf hatchback to various Audis, Seats, Skodas and more. This foundational shift allowed engineers to give the car a longer wheelbase, plus increase its width and height, all while reducing the front overhang for more attractive proportions, though the grille. Yeah, it's got a lot of grille. Aside from better looks, these changes also increase cabin space. Passenger volume now clocks in at 94.7 cubic feet, while the trunk measures a generous 14.1. This means the Jetta is roomier than the Toyota Corolla and Mazda 3 sedan, though the Honda Civic and Nissan Sentra are slightly more capacious according to the spec sheets, but at normal use you are not likely to notice a difference. There is plenty of room for legs and heads in this car's backseat, plus the lower cushion and backrest are both comfortably angled. When lowered, the fold-down center armrest is also at the same level as the door panel armrest. A thoughtful touch that further enhances comfort. Heated outboard rear seats are another nice amenity, one that's standard on SEL and SEL Premium models, but optional on SE and R-Line variants. Curiously, my top-of-the-line tester still lacks air vents for passengers in steerage, despite 3 being an obvious place for them. Like an off-putting but hard to trace odor emanating from some forgotten corner of your refrigerator. There are other little whiffs of cost cutting in the Jetta. There is only a single seatback storage pocket, for instance. The car also lacks a K-Plus fuel filler. There is no latch on the front center armrest, nor does it ratchet and lock in different positions like they used to in older Volkswagens. Even the volume knob looks like the result of one too many pinched pennies. It's on-off graphic turning, so it's almost never aligned perfectly, something that will drive detail-oriented people nuts. There are far worse places to spend time than in this Volkswagen cabin. Similarly, some of the Jetta's secondary controls feel flimsier than a mud hovel in a hurricane, like the climate control dials and headlights switch. Still, other buttons are super nice, like the rock solid ignition switch and the drive mode selector. The Jetta's front seats are flat and broad, far too sprawling for someone emaciated as me, though most people will probably find them kit accommodating. In my SEL Premium Jetta, leather is standard. It looks great and feels nice to boot, though most models in the range feature a leatherette seating surface. While the entry-level S variant comes with cloth, my car's front chairs are heated and ventilated too, making the Jetta an appealing choice every season of the year. The steering wheel will also keep your hands warm at the push of a button. Complementing the handsome leather is a smattering of soft plastics. Upper portion of the Jetta's dashboard and front door panels are nicely textured and plush when you prod them. Some of the interiors, rigid polymers, aren't quite as attractive, but you can't expect Cobb beef on a Bologna budget. The star of this V-Dubs cabin is the infotainment tech. SEL Premium models features a standard Discover media system with an 8-inch touchscreen and integrated navigation. In addition to that touch-enabled panel, Volkswagen Digital Cockpit is included on SEL Premium Jettas as well, which replaces traditional instruments with a reconfigurable 10.25-inch screen. Clear, crisp and surprisingly free of glare. This is one of the nicer offerings of its type available today, certainly in the Jettas class. If you can swing the monthly payment, SC models and above come with some standard kit you are sure to love. Features like dual zone climate control, keyless entry with push button start and a sunroof. SEL and SEL Premium variants are also graced with a Beats audio system and ambient interior lighting, among other things. If the Jetta's sterile exterior styling weren't enough warning that it's no fun zone, what's under the hood will broadcast that loud and clear. All versions of this car are propelled by a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with a turbocharger, direct fuel injection, and a cleverly designed air-to-water intercooler built right into the intake manifold. It delivers a modest 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque.
Thanks for watching.